headed to a ski trip slash sledding slash ice skating slash. Ooh, we about to get hit. So that's where we're going. So I'll just give y'all some views so we can listen to music. Hey you guys, so Darren and I just got done doing some product shots for the lip gloss line. It's gonna be so cute. We had brunch and we did some product shots out here, and you guys, we were supposed to go skiing and sledding and ice skating yesterday and all that stuff, but actually when we got up there, Darren's sister was meeting us out there and she told us that there was no parking, so we actually had to turn around and come home. So we didn't do anything, so y'all didn't miss anything. It was gonna be fun, but it just didn't feel like it was gonna happen anyways. I don't know, sometimes like you have those days where you just feel like, bitch, I'm not finna do nothing. So that's what it was. And so we're just sitting out here chilling right now. It's a little chilly, so we're probably about to leave soon, and I'm just finishing up my drink. If you ever come here to Fahrenheit in Charlotte, you can get the Alexis Aviation, and it's so good. I love this drink. Darren loves it too. He just also had a shot of Class A Azul, so we are chilling right now. But I just wanted to update y'all on what was going on, because I didn't come on for New Year or anything, but I'll update you guys further on all of that stuff. But yeah, I just came out here mainly today to get something to eat and to do some product shots, because I found my other lens for my camera. That's about it, so I will talk to you guys later. That's it for right now. This view is stupid. Like, I look like I'm actually somewhere. I could be in Miami, nobody knows.
If dressed like that, yeah, you're definitely not Miami. Because ain't nobody in Miami right now wearing anything warm.
Anything what?
Warm.
Oh, it sounded like you said womb. Shawty, you tried it. Here's the culprit. Naughty, naughty, naughty.
What?
Ops.
Ops. What ops?
I don't fucking know.
Exactly what that's your third drink?
Second. Sweetie. Sweetie. And you're drunk as fuck.
I'm fine.
I'm fine, but I'm drunk. Do I look like a cartoon character?
Not yet.
Nigga said not yet. Okay, my goal is to look like one. I just think it's fun when people are animated. My personality is animated as it is, so why not match my face? Like, what the fuck? Look like a whole blow-up doll. Cause right here, right here, and I'm starting to get a couple little wrinkles right there, so Hey you guys, so happy Monday. Today's the 4th of January, and I just want to show you guys this package that I just got, and I really think it's my boxes for my lip glosses, because it's got the Chinese stuff on here, so the writing and stuff. So let's open this together. I haven't seen these at all. Alright, so I'm just going to open the box. Oh, girl. Strong smell. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute! Okay. So this is the box. So, oh my gosh. So it's exactly how I wanted it. It's the blue. Hope y'all can see that a little bit better. And then I have the Basics of Beauty LLC with a little heart. It's really cute. Y'all probably can't see how cute it is, but it's cute, cute. Okay, cute, cute. Oh my gosh, my boxes. you have to kind of construct these boxes. So you tuck these, and then it's got the perforations on it. Y'all know how lip glosses go. And then let me try to slip one in for y'all. Where's my purse? Okay. So then here's my lip gloss, and I would just slip it in like that, and it fits perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Yes, 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 yes. It's becoming real. It's becoming really real. Real people just outside. I don't know these people. Alright, and then it's closed. Shop, 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 shop. Basics of Beauty LLC. Period. Pull. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm holding this in my hand. This is crazy. How would I feel when I got this? Like, oh, okay. Like, okay. Girl, let me see my color. Okay. Oh, cute. Okay, yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm getting ready to do some meal prep and / cook lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sit the camera down so y'all can see what I'm making. Basically, it's just like quinoa. That's gonna be the minute success one that I do in the boil in the bag. So quinoa. So I have my water right here, and I'm doing salmon, which is, y'all know I get the frozen salmon from Food Lion. And I'm gonna chop up some herbs and vegetables, and I'm gonna just prop y'all up. Y'all could just watch. There's avocado, got some garlic cloves, got some cherry tomatoes, some lemon, onion. So first, I'm gonna chop up my garlic.
Never watch here. Listen, you got a nice little piece, honey. God knows it. Lady Pig. Girl, you better tread lightly, honey. Or you better get your mind, honey. You made it public, so it was everybody's business, honey. And you the one over here looking like a goddamn fool, disrespecting the damn CEO on this damn platform, you simple ass bitch. Oh my God, the God not, no, please. The Bachelor. Premieres tonight, 8/7.
Nate's about to make a flower bracelet with her new beads.
split up a whole dinner within a matter of 10 minutes.
Oh.
That's all I got, Josie. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, baby. Come and talk to me. How is it that you don't get no top row of teeth, but you can smoke a hell out of a cigarette? What it tastes like, what it tastes like.
It has good tomato flavor, but I'm gonna add some sweetness to it.
Okay. I love it when you make cherry tomatoes.
I made that too.
Yeah, but you only putting like about six tomatoes in it.
Yep, 6.
Why?
Because that's all the recipe called for.
Then I got a text message saying, "Oh, Georgia." Oh, another one. Hold on, let's see. Network message. He replied with the word "stop," which blocks all text messages from.
Do you still have more of those Hawaiian things? Hey y'all. Hey y'all. So I'm actually outside my nail tech's salon. I'm waiting on her. She's just about 5 minutes late today, but she did let me know. So all good. So I decided to pick up the camera real quick. Yeah, I'm about to get my nails done. So come with. And yeah, let's go. I got my eyelashes done today. So I got my eyelashes taken off on Monday, and they were supposed to get reapplied, but long story, my lash tech ended up misplacing her glue, and she had to overnight more. So I had a couple of appointments, and I went and got my lashes redone, and this time I got them medium, and this is mega volume. Okay, and I like this length a lot more. Like, I like the long, don't get me wrong, but this length is more, I don't know, the long was like when they would start to fall out, and I am looking for a pin. When they would start to fall out, they didn't have the structure of the other ones to lean on, so they would kind of go all wonky, and it was really annoying, especially with them being so long. So I had to make sure that I got them shorter because that was really frustrating me. So let me write this note down real quick before I forget. It's a video idea that I have, and then I have a lot of stuff to update y'all on, but one thing at a time, girl. Okay, I got my little I voted pen. Okay, so okay, I'm about to walk in here because I think she only said 5 minutes, so I'm gonna just walk up in here. Yeah, and this has been so helpful. Like, ew. What the fuck? That little spray? Because that mask, ooh, go. Bro, it's somebody that I have to deal with on a daily basis, and they breath be, not daily basis, but someone who has to be very close to me, and they breath be on 10. So they need some of that. Y'all, I am bumming. I have been bumming so much this year. Yeah, I'm totally bumming, but let's go up in here. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome. So this is how it goes, and you have to make a right. Oh shit, it's locked. I have not been vlogging, child.
Ever since Vlogmas, right?
I've been like tired.
I feel you. I don't blame you though. That's a lot of work.
It is. I just had to regroup and see like what angle I want to take this year. Yeah.
Girl, my daddy built his girlfriend a greenhouse. Ooh! I was like, yeah, motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucker, you got competition. That's your competition.
Step up.
And then tell me why my brother just bought his baby mama a Jag SUV.
The F-Pace?
Not the F-Pace, it's the E-Pace, but still.
Okay. Still.
It's still nice.
Damn.
It's a 2020.
Damn, they stepping it up. That's what I'm talking about. And that's what they
The only two men, the only two men in my life, other than him, literally. Like, I was gonna do that.
Okay. He told me one. I'm gonna ask him again. But he said if I don't like protein, you could do bananas and peanut butter. He did recommend that.
I've seen girls do that, like add that to their protein shakes and stuff.
Yep. It's a wrap. I'm a totally different person.
That is so funny.
I'm serious. This shape is sexy. Yeah, I do.
Sure.
I do like it. I just wish this little curvy thing would come up a little higher. Can we do
So
that?
this,
Yeah.
like, so you want it thicker?
Okay.
Okay. So just a little bit of the.
Just a little.
Okay.
Okay. What's up, you guys? So I'm getting ready to do my hair. I'm just gonna throw on this wig. This is my longer black wig that I throw on from time to time. I think this is the one that Darren bought me so that I can go run some quick errands. Yeah, it's kind of matted. Ooh, it's really matted. The back is matted, girl. The heck? Didn't know that. Anyway, so you guys, happy new year. You know, we're in 2021 and I feel like a lot of people are trying to work on boundaries, businesses, of course, new strategies. What approach are we going to take this year? I kind of low-key sometimes feel like it's still 2020. Like, I do, but I don't. Like, there was this dark cloud around 2020, and that's why I feel like it's really important for us to get back into our positive practices. If you are doing yoga, meditation, or anything like that, like for me, I'm definitely trying to get right back into things that I slacked off on last year. And yeah, come in. Yeah, I don't have tutoring today because I just finished.
Well, girl, you don't tell me you don't have tutoring today. I set up the tutoring. I'm the one that tells her whether she can come or not. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So, I'll tell her that you finished your assignment. What did you get on your assignment? Oh, I don't have tutoring because that's not how that works. So, I noticed for myself, I have a calendar over here. And I'm going to pick this up and I'm going to show y'all. So, this calendar, it was supposed to get hung. It never got hung up. I wrote on it up until August 2020. So about somewhere in that time frame is when I must have lost sight of my goals, and I think I only noticed and tried to pick it back up probably after Thanksgiving. And obviously that's a little too late because I missed out on a couple months of, stuff, even though I feel like, I've been going hard all year, but sometimes you just have to take a step back and just really seriously evaluate like every area of your life. Like, how is your diet? Do you need to improve anything there? Because honestly and truly, and I know a lot of people don't want to talk about it, diet and what you put into your body and how your body changes is a huge boost of self-confidence. Like, once that is right, I've noticed in my life, at least, once my diet and exercise and all of that is on track, my mental health improves, and then my overall everything just works in sync. I mean, and I know it's hard to get there, but y'all, I'm trying to get there now. I've been doing my smoothies and stuff, which you'll see in the video. I've been doing my smoothies and my salmon and my spinach and all that stuff. Water, up your water intake. Like, sometimes you have to take it one step at a time. The first thing for me usually is to up my water intake and chill on the desserts. Because I have developed quite a sweet tooth, and I'm just like, bro, no, because this summer, I'm sorry, but I'm manifesting that this country opens, and if we all manifest together, it will open. And I have to do something this summer for my birthday. I don't care if I go to another country and it's very secluded and all of that. I need to do something for me for my birthday this year. I'll be 35. And it's very surreal for me. 35 was always the age that I considered people to be old, but I don't feel old. I don't want to, put a stigma on age or accomplishments due from age or anything like that. I just want us to live our lives, honestly. I just want to live my life. I don't want anybody putting extra pressure on me. I don't want anyone trying to dictate my life. I am so, like, overly protective of myself these days. It's like anything that somebody says to me, if I don't like it, like, now I'm practicing more emotional intelligence, but even when I notice something just doesn't resonate with me, I cut it off completely at that moment. I mean, I'm still cool with people, don't get me wrong. I'm working hard on relationships, and I can get more into detail with that another time, y'all, but I have had to work really hard, because I'm somebody that would just throw people away, and I know y'all know what I'm talking about because you see the memes all the time on the internet talking about one false move, I cut you off. Yeah, that was me. And that was my way of protecting myself from disappointment, from rejection, let down, whatever. I just would say, you know what, I'll just X this person out of my life. I'll just completely erase them from my memory bank. And I developed that over time since about after high school, I would say. And it's just so toxic, so freaking toxic to throw people away when you make mistakes. I make mistakes. Now, if somebody is just very toxic in your life and you know that they're no good for you, that's something different. But just throwing people away for the sake of, oh, well, I don't know you. Oh, I'm Ray Charles. Oh, you know, try to figure out. It's going to take a lot of humbling yourself, you know, and your ego and your pride. For both parties, though, it can't just be one-sided. It can't just be one person like, oh, well, I'm gonna hold on to this grudge. I would rather it be, hey, do you think that there's any chance that we should probably discuss some type of resolution to the problems that we faced, or something like that? Don't ever walk into a situation, I would say, feeling like it's you only trying to restore something. Unless you did something wrong to somebody, I would try to get it on mutual grounds. That just makes you feel better when you know that the other person, yes, I'm upset with you, but I will hear you out, is sometimes all it really takes, you know? And that's more so where I'm at now. So, and also realizing that people are who they are. This really just such a blanket statement that means so much. Like, meet people where they are. Understand that you have your quirks, and understand that people have their quirks, and they might not be the same as yours, but they're quirks nonetheless. But you're not listening. Hey you guys, this is the Bewitching Jasmine. This scent is amazing. It's luxurious. It's mysterious. People are going to definitely turn their heads when you come by. You're going to smell like shamoney. You guys, I pulled up on a vegan, black-owned food truck, and it's called Romeo's Vegan Burgers. So bomb. And it is located here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What's good, y'all? Okay, so I'm vlogging on the phone right now. I got the food. And I got the milkshake. How cute is that with the little confetti? So, oh my god, there's so much stuff here. And this is, I'm assuming, my chili cheese fries. Let me see. Yeah. Ooh. So let's taste these fries. Delicious. That's really freaking good. And I have a burger.
so happy. Ooh, girl. I'm so fat. I'm so fat and happy. Oh my god. This is my daughter's burger right here. It's just a plain burger with cheese. And she got a sweet tea. And my burger is looking crazy right now. Alright, let's take a bite, yo. This might be good. And the line was not even long, for real. It's good. It's good. It's really freaking good. I got chili on here, cheese. What is that, bacon? I guess bacon. This joint is good. Everybody eating in their car. Oh. This gonna tear me up. Tear me up good. It's charbroiled. It's just like, girl. Ooh, hold up. Girl. The shake good too. Y'all, this is crazy. The shake is good. Wow. I'm pleased. I am very much pleased. And I'm not gonna tell my daughter this is vegan. Well, she's gonna see it. Never mind. But she kind of shady. If y'all will excuse me, I'm gonna call my boyfriend back so we can share this moment because he's working, but I need him to know how good this is. So I got off the phone with him to talk to you guys, so I'm gonna switch back. Just know that this is very, very, very good food. Highly recommend. It's plant-based. This is the wave, because this food is too good, y'all, and that's no lie. Like, I'm about to lick it up. Talk to y'all later. God bless.